Hey guys, I just took it out for a rip. It's nice and warm, so I thought I'd give you a real exhaust video this time. Check it out. Yeah. I think it sounds pretty cool. Let me just show you here. I did this real quick. Sorted that out a little bit. And fixed up that bit that was down there. I'm gonna retouch this up a little bit. I fixed this. This was rusting. Actually came out okay, didn't it? I know it's not perfect. And I just did it last night, so I'm gonna wait. And then you see, there's a dull spot. I'm gonna buff that out once it's really cured. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. Alrighty, see you guys.